We're installing the Pentium 4 processor into socket 775. I first open the socket up by pushing down on the lever on the side and lifting the lever up and over. And then I can raise the socket cover up out of the way. And here's the processor. It has an arrow here to help orient us to the little cutoff side of the socket. A notch here and here, which further helps us orient it so it goes in correctly. You look over at the bottom of the processor. So I'm going to drop the processor down into the socket, close the cover, and when I push the lever down, that's when the pressure is put down on it to lock it into place. And that's installing the Pentium 4 into socket 775.